Hi, I'm Jack from UAS out of Sarasota, Florida. And here we have a 2020 Polaris slingshot with our UAS DRL package with the lower gap filler as well as the upper DRL. As you know, in the 2020, the headlight is in the dead center and that provides all the light. These are DRLs. And what we did is we developed a kit that will fit on 2020s or also will fit on our UAS replacement kit, which fits all 15 to 19 Polaris slingshots with no cutting, drilling, or welding. Let's go ahead and turn the DRLs on. And here you have it. This is standard. This is what standard white would be. Okay. And let's go ahead and do the switchback. So now you have switchback. So basically, where it's an amber to white switchback, not available with the factory DRLs, upper or lower. You can do both or just one, whichever you prefer. We do sell them separately as a pair. We also offer them in RGB as well as RGBW, and we also offer them in chasing. On the chasing series, one of our premium controllers does have the DRL to switchback option. So therefore, you can run it white as you're driving, do the chasing when you're parked, and when you turn the turn signals on, they turn amber. But again, that's all on the controller. This is a straight wire-in solution, and it's a white amber switchback. The lower DRLs and the upper DRLs are shipping on a first come, first served basis. And again, you can find them on our website, which is undergroundautostyling.com, universalaudioSolutions.com, and you can also look on our Instagram @undergroundauto.